Deborah here. You can follow content or follow a workspace to make sure you receive notifications when approvers or team members leave comments or feedback on content you didn't create. You can add or remove yourself or other people as followers from the editor. Head to the bubble at the bottom of the activity tracker. If someone already follows this item, you'll see their initials or avatar. If no one follows this item, you'll see this message. To add or remove someone as a follower, check or uncheck the box next to their name and click Save. Just keep in mind that anyone following this item will start receiving notifications for any comments or approver feedback left right away. Now, if you want to stay on top of every activity performed on content for one or more workspaces, you can follow a workspace. To do this, go to your notification preferences at the bottom of the page, click the Add a Workspace button, and select the workspace. To stop receiving notifications for a workspace, click the X and then Save. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our customer happiness team and we'll be happy to help.